these trees. So it's gonna be really nice. And we got these that gap right there by that tree. So yeah, we're gonna do some flying, some FPV flying, get some packs in, do some practice, and it's just a good old day, having a good time, beautiful weather. So we're gonna put up some quads and just rip it, Quad Mafia style, right, Serge?
Yes, Quad Mafia.
He crashed. Trying to do a trick. He crashed. Let's see what happens when he comes back and gets the quad. Hopefully it's in one piece.